Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Emily.
Hi everyone, I am David. Thank you for being here today.
How are you, David, and how's everyone?
Oh, I am very well, Emily. Thank you. And I hope our wonderful listeners are fine too.
That's great, David. On this channel, we help you practice real-life English. For everyday conversation, if you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us a lot. Today, we are going to talk about something very important for English learners.
What if you could talk about your favorite hobbies in English with confidence? In just a few minutes.
Imagine meeting a new friend from another country. They ask, "What do you like to do?" Would you know how to answer? Don't worry. Today you'll learn easy English conversations, useful vocabulary, and simple questions that you can use every day.
Stay until the end, because we'll also have 3 fun quizzes and a speaking challenge that will help you remember everything. Ready? Let's begin.
Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Emily.
And I'm David. We're so happy you're here today.
Today we're talking about something fun.
That's right. We're going to learn how to talk about what you like to do.
Everyone has hobbies and favorite activities.
Maybe you like reading books,
Maybe you love playing football.
or maybe your favorite thing is watching movies.
Whatever you enjoy, today you'll learn how to talk about it in simple English.
Don't be shy.
Speak with us.
Repeat after us,
Mistakes are welcome.
because mistakes help us learn.
David, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like to play basketball.
Nice. How often do you play?
I play every weekend.
That sounds fun.
What about you?
I like reading books.
Really? What kind of books?
I enjoy mystery books and adventure stories.
Cool. Reading helps you learn new words too.
That's true. Your turn. Repeat after me. I like reading books.
Great. Now say, I like playing football.
Excellent. One more. I like listening to music.
You're doing a great job.
Let's learn some easy sentences. I like
Example.
cooking. I enjoy.
Example. I enjoy painting.
My favorite hobby is.
Example. My favorite hobby is swimming.
I usually.
Example. I usually play games after school.
These sentences are very useful.
You can use them every day.
Conversation at school. Hi, Anna.
Hi, Ben.
What do you like to do after school? And
I usually ride my bike.
that sounds exciting.
Yes, it is fun and healthy.
I usually draw pictures.
Wow. Are you good at drawing?
I'm still learning.
That's okay.
Practice makes us better. Mini quiz number 1. Time for quiz number 1. Listen carefully. Which sentence is correct? A. I like play football. Or B. I like playing football. Pause for a moment.
The correct answer is B. I like playing football.
Great job if you got it right.
Talking about music. Emily, do you like music?
Yes, I do.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Nice. I like relaxing music.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
That's wonderful.
What about you?
I don't play an instrument, but I love singing,
Even in the shower?
especially in the shower.
Me too.
Answer these questions aloud. What music do you like? What do you do on weekends? What's your favorite hobby?
Excellent. Speaking out loud helps your English grow faster. Talking about sports.
David, do you like sports?
Yes, very much.
What's your favorite sport?
Basketball.
Why do you like it?
Because it's exciting. I also play with my friends.
Nice. I enjoy walking in the park.
Walking is great exercise.
Yes, it also helps me relax. Useful vocabulary. Let's learn some hobby words. Reading, writing, cooking, swimming, running, fishing, gardening, painting, traveling, photography, dancing, singing, watching movies, playing video games, learning English.
Repeat every word with us. Take your time. Good job.
Short role play. Let's practice together. I'll ask the questions and you answer. Ready?
Here we go.
What do you like to do?
Great.
Why do you like it?
Nice answer.
How often do you do it?
Excellent. You're speaking English already.
Talking about family, does your family have hobbies too?
Yes. My father likes gardening.
Nice. My mother enjoys cooking.
What about your brother?
He likes playing video games.
And your sister?
She enjoys dancing.
Every family is different.
That's what makes conversations interesting. Mini quiz number 2. Listen carefully. Which answer sounds natural? A. My hobby are reading. Or B. My hobby is reading. Think about it.
The answer is B. My hobby is reading.
Fantastic.
Asking more questions. Here are more useful questions. What do you like to do? What do you enjoy? What's your favorite hobby? How often do you do it? Who do you do it with? Where do you usually do it? Why do you like it?
These questions help you keep a conversation going. Conversation between new friends. Hi, my name is Emma. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Emma. I'm David. Nice to meet you too.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like playing tennis. What about you?
I enjoy baking cakes.
Really? That's delicious.
Thank you. Do you play tennis every week?
Yes, usually on Saturday morning.
That's great. Maybe one day you can teach me?
Sure. And maybe you can teach me how to bake.
Deal. Now let's practice pronunciation. Say each sentence exactly after me. I like cooking. I enjoy reading. My favorite hobby is painting. I usually play football after school. I love spending time with my family.
Fantastic. You sound better every time.
Talking about weekends. What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually visit my grandparents.
That's lovely. I often watch movies with my friends.
Which movies do you like?
Funny movies. They make me laugh.
I like adventure movies. They are exciting.
Sometimes I watch cartoons too.
Me too. You're never too old for cartoons.
Exactly. Speaking tip. Here's an important tip. Don't try to use difficult words. Simple English is powerful.
If you know only easy words, that's okay. Speak clearly. Speak slowly. Speak with confidence.
Fluency comes with practice, not with perfection. Mini quiz number 3. Last quiz. Finish the sentence. I enjoy A. To swim. B. Swimming.
The correct answer is B. I enjoy swimming.
Amazing work. You're learning so much today. Final speaking challenge. Now it's your turn. Answer these 3 questions using full sentences. What do you like to do? Why do you like it? How often do you do it? Take your time. Speak slowly. Don't worry about mistakes. Every sentence makes you stronger.
Remember, English is a skill. Skills grow with practice, not overnight.
Review. Today you learned how to talk about your favorite activities.
You learned useful questions, easy answers, new vocabulary, and real conversations.
You also practiced speaking, listening, repeating, and pronunciation.
That's a lot of progress.
Congratulations. You finished today's English conversation lesson.
Every time you practice, you become more confident.
Don't stop here. Watch this lesson again. Repeat every conversation. Speak out loud every day.
Before you go, tell us in the comments.
What do you like to do in your free time?
Write 1 or 2 simple English sentences. We'll be happy to read them.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson.
Share this video with a friend who wants to learn English.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, keep believing in yourself.
And remember, every conversation makes your English stronger, so keep learning English.
See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.